part of fortune is an Arabic part. The part of fortune is an astrological point which can be calculated with the help of the sun placement, the moon placement, and the ascendant. It represents the distance between the sun and moon in natal chart added to the ascendant degree, depending on whether the native is born during the day or night. It means you have diurnal or nocturnal chart. The part of fortune is calculated in a different way. For an individual born during the day, you must subtract the sun degrees from the moon degrees, adding it afterward to the ascendant degree. On the other hand, for a person born in the night, you subtract the moon degrees from the sun ones, also adding them to the ascendant. There are numerous free natal chart generators, where anyone can also easily find out his part of fortune. For example, astro.com. For establish the exactly point where the part of fortune is in your natal chart, you should know exactly your birth date, the birth time actually. That's why it's important. And of course it relates with the ascendant. If you are even half an hour wrong about the time of birth, you may place the part of fortune in a different house than where it really is. The part of fortune acts as a quite beneficial spot, empowering the matters of any house it is located. In case that part of fortune is conjunct to any planet in your natal chart, it will force it to function in a benevolent way, while also can mild down many possible negative traits in your natal chart. A strange pattern that can usually appear is unexpected luck concerning the life area that the house represents. The native may not quite understand why such gifts will come to his life, and that is exactly why this point is called part of fortune, partoffortune, actually. It indicates the pot of gold and the end of the rainbow, the treasures that the native will discover. This point is a sign of prosperity, so examining its placement may help you understand through what types of things you can reach happiness. As part of fortune, it's a fixed point that does not change during time. By observing your natal chart aspects to planet with part of fortune, you can clearly understand the nature of the gifts you can receive. Any time that an important planet aspects the part of fortune by transit, it opens the gate of the luck. Keep in mind that in case the part of fortune conjunct in natal chart any planet, it becomes more powerful. So you can say that people born with such a conjunction will be luckier than others. The closer is the conjunction, the more powerful it is influence. You can imagine the part of fortune as an amplifier, expanding any possible traits of a natal or transiting planets. In the next chapter, I will talk about lucky houses and good planets. And another time, I will show you examples about people, public people, famous people, and how all these techniques and analyses are working to find out about their happiness and potential to be happy in their life. Bye-bye.